Segnale di pericolo. How do you recognize segnali di pericolo? Watch. Number one, all segnali di pericolo have triangular form. I'll give you time to write it down.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sam, write am down. No be say that I go say I never teach you am. Write am down, Mr. Sam. Segnali di pericolo, they get triangular form. Everybody, please write it down. Segnali di pericolo. So, why I'm saying this is that, so you will not see on that segnale tomorrow. You will now differentiate it with this guy. All segnali di pericolo, all of them have triangular form. Is it clear now, guys? What we are seeing here. And the point here is going up. It's going up. It's not going down. It's going up. Is it clear? It's now 60 degrees. It go up. 60 degrees. It go up. Now watch. That's the first information. Second information about Segnale di Pericolo. Segnale di Pericolo, you always find it 150 meters before you get to that particular danger. Remember, I say Segnale di Pericolo, like I said before, is giving you awareness. They tell you, what does it mean? It's telling you what you see in the front. That means you will see this particular segnale 150 meters before you get to that particular danger. For example, what do I mean? Look at this picture they draw inside here. They are trying to tell you that, look, this picture now, with the draw inside here, this blacks with the draw inside here, is what you see in the front in 150 meters. It's a form of danger. They are telling you that in 150 meters, you arrive to that particular place where that danger is. Are you guys following me? It's a form of distance. At a distance of 150 meters is a fixed value. 150 meters, write and down. They are telling you what you see in the front. 150 meters before you get there. So, then when you're driving with your wonderful car, you see this segnale, any triangular form, it simply means that in 150 meters, you will see that picture with them draw inside there. You go see out that place in 150 meters. And that thing is a danger. Is it clear? Now, all segnale di pericolo. Please, are you writing it down? Are you writing it down? Are you writing it down? Write them down. So that if you
Then
can,
number
if you want, you can start doing little studies if you want to on your own. You can even start doing
you
quiz
said
if you want to. Now watch.
you said
Eh?
you said number two. You will find it 150 meters before the
Bef-
danger.
yes, before you see that danger. For example, watch. They put this picture
Okay.
here, my brother. Watch. They put this picture here. It simply means that you first of all find this signal. You first of all find this signboard, this vertical signboard. You go first see this vertical signboard. 150 meters first. You go first see them before you consider danger. Danger that this picture they draw here. That these are the danger we go see for front. So they are only carrying this picture. They draw them inside there. They tell you, say, okay, in 150 meters, you go see that picture for front. For example, look at this picture here. It simply means that you will see this attraversamento pedonale. You go see am in 150 meters, and it's a danger. Are you guys following me? You go see am for front in 150 meters. That is the real information of segnale di pericolo. Guys, add them to your jotter. Segnale di pericolo, they talk to me and you as drivers. Please write it down. Did they give you awareness? Did they warn you? Did they tell you what you go see for front? Did they warn you, say, in 150 meters, look, for example, there is a what? There is a zebra crossing line 150 meters. So be careful. Now, what do you mean? I want you guys to understand the message of segnale di pericolo. I don't know that some people they follow me here because this is what I tell you now is very, very important. Nobody say tomorrow now you say you know the class, you know CM. So why I always tell you guys to jot things down because I know that not all of you will do quiz. Is it clear? So if you don't jot them down, any day where you start, any day where you want to start to do quiz, you will not forget it. Please don't be angry if I call you sometime, man. Don't be angry if I call you. So remember, I told you guys, any pericolo. They are talking to me and you as drivers. Have you written it down? Number three. They are talking to me and you as drivers. They are talking. It's an information to me and you as drivers. Not on that picture they draw there. Now, information that they give me and you, they give us awareness. Say in 150 meters, you go see that particular danger for front. Now watch. Number four. All segnali di pericolo. They have this particular rating in the contour, in the borderline. They have a rating here. Is it clear? That is their characteristics. They are made of red something like this inside. That is by
Number
the borderline. Now, guys, watch. Number four. If the inside is white, it means that segnale is permanent. If the inside there is white, inside there they white, Abi. it means that this Segnale is permanent. That is, this vertical signboard, they're permanent there. Even if you say the road fall, whatever, that Segnale is permanent. Now watch. If the inside is yellow, something like this, it means that it is not permanent, it is temporary. That means they are working there. That is work in progress. Now, there are many
Okay.
ways they normally describe work in progress. Either they tell you cantiere stradale, write it down.
Mm.
Or they tell you lavoro in
Lab.
corso. That means that road is blocked temporarily. That means this is not permanent. They will still remove it later. I told you guys that if the inside is yellow, in your pattern, in your quiz, where they say fondo, that if they want to tell the inside, they'll tell you the fondo. If the fondo, that means the inside. If the inside is white, it is permanent. If the fondo, that is the inside. If it is yellow, it is temporary. That means it is just work in progress. Is it clear now, guys? Now, these are the characteristics of segnale di pericolo. Remember, it's giving the main information is that it's talking to me and you as drivers, number one. The information they talk to you, they give us information. Say, in 150 meters, you are prone to a danger. Are you guys following me now? Who did not understand what I explained? Be sincere. Is there
Sorry,
anybody
sir.
here?
You said, is there not any other segnale di pericolo that is in form of circle?
Piano, 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 piano. Okay, piano, piano. Allora, guys. My brother just said something where I don't want to talk now. Now, guys, watch. I'm like going step by step. First of all, guys, remember this. All segnali di pericolo have triangular form. Full stop. Is it clear now? Now, guys, in every segnale we we're about to see now, they will now bring 2 or 3 segnale, add it there. Not only even this guy. Now, why did they put it there? That's what we call panel integrative. No, let me not even discuss it. Guys, no, because if I start discussing, we go there confused. I don't want to discuss them. I don't like saying things we've not done already. Is it clear? Yes, but the only thing I will say is that there's a possibility that they'll bring 2 or 3 segnale that is different from these guys. They are under segnale di pericolo. Why? Because they function as what we call panel integrativi. And panel integrativi, I've said in this class before, their work is to complement an existing signal, to give it more information. That is, they are giving the reason why there's a reason why they change the shape of it. For example, not only on segnale di pericolo, even on other segnale, they will carry a different shape. There are just few of them they'll bring there. And those guys, they stand as segnale because they can use it everywhere. They can use that particular segnale in every other segnale. So guys, let's just pretend as if I didn't say anything. We'll just pretend I don't say anything. Is it clear now? But for now, guys, understand that segnale di pericolo, they are all triangular shape going up. I want to show you guys something. I'm only talking about I'm only telling you guys I'm only giving you guys introduction on segnale di pericolo. Guys, watch. He's different from this guy. You see this guy now? Who can tell me what did you find out? What did you find? Let me ask the student. What did you find as difference here? Let me see. All right, Mr. Endurance. Did you see any difference between the first one I show you and this guy?
Yeah, the triangle is turning down. This sign of presidential.
No, now hold on. Not tell me what you be. Just tell me what you. I don't say you know. All right, my brother noticed something here. He found that this one is going down, Abi. Why the other guy is going up? You see it now. There's a good difference between two of them. This one they go up. Why this guy they go down? You see now, there are two different things. All right. Please remember that segnale di pericolo is whenever the segnale has a triangular shape and is going up. That's why I said it's going up. All right, that's it for. Is anybody here want to understand something I explained about the introduction of segnale di pericolo? We just gave it.
Hello, Mr. Charles.
Yes, sir.
Is it the one that is pointing up? The angle is pointing up. That is it only that one that is pericolo? What about the one that is turning upside down?
Now, the one turning upside down, I will not discuss it for now. Now, different thing. You will not even hear it from my mouth. That's a different thing for now. That's why I had to show you guys this picture. The guy going downwards, that one is not saying the pericolo. He has a different name. And that's not our focus of attention right now. I want you guys to focus your attention on this particular guy going up for now. And they call these guys what they call them segnali. That's how you know segnale di pericolo. Whenever the point is going up, 60 degrees up, like all of them. 60 degrees. Okay, guys, that's it about segnale di pericolo. And like I told you guys, this is just the introduction of it. Now, the trick about segnale di pericolo is this. Write it down. Cram their definition. So from next week, when we start doing it, you go cram. Once I don't start now, the first way you go first do be this. Cram the definition. You go cram am for head. Because most segnali di pericolo, they resemble each other. Some of them resemble each other. So you have to cram it in your head, first of all, immediately. Don't forget it, the definition. Because the trick about segnali, all this way they call segnali is the most simplest part in patente. Segnali, they're very simple. The only difficulty is that people they always forget the definition. I'm trying to tell you guys the trick in all these things. Cram the definition. Once you don't cram them, you don't get wahala. Number 2, cram. What is cram? Memorize. Memorize the picture. For example, you see this guy. Memorize this picture. Because on that picture might resemble it, but it's different. You see it now. Number 3, memorize the rules and regulations they told you about these particular guys. Now, 3 things you need to do concerning segnale. Very, very simple, guys. Definition, the picture, how that picture be, so that in case you see it tomorrow, you will not forget it. And also, learn the rules and regulations they told you there. They'll just give you 2 or 3 rules and regulations. Segnale di pericolo, sorry. All segnale to me is very, very simple. Let me tell you guys, the hardest part concerning this, for me now, let me show you guys something. For me, when we talk about patente, I want to show you guys something. When we talk about patente. Patente for me, see the way I normally teach. I normally divide it into 2. From this definition, from definition generale, up to where? Up to this particular place. Up to this particular topic called esempi di precedenza. This is where you see pictures. Now, for me, this is the first part. This is half of patente. Now, those guys in my other class, we've arrived to this part called esempi di precedenza. Now, with them, we're about to enter the second part of patente, the hardest part, where there are no pictures. So up to this, from the first topic up to this guy here, what they see here, what they call esempi, who go first pass for encroach. This is why I divide it. These are the most simplest part in patente. Now, from here, going downwards, no picture anymore. It's so difficult. Is it clear now? It's so difficult. So segnale is so simple. Is it clear? And now all this is not trick. Please, Mr. Godwin, if I say your this in the. All right, guys. So, like I said before, saying the pericolo or everything concerning segnale is very, very easy. All this is not trick. You need to check. Someone need to explain to you for you to understand. Is it clear now? All right. Is there any question?
Yes, Ogacha.
Yes,
I get a question. Like this, the pericolo. There is this jello. If you look inside the 2, there is one like a score, and the other one is like when they are doing construction, the design of construction is there inside one, while the other one be like score. So waiting be the difference for the 2.
I'm trying to understand what you ask me. Now, in segnale di pericolo, if the color is yellow, it means that there is work in progress. Let me see if I understand what you asked me. That means you're trying to say that for segnale di pericolo, concerning work in progress, there are 2 types.
No, I understand what he's trying to say.
What is he trying to say?
The signs you brought out, there was one triangle, they draw a skull on it, like human skull, and then there was a bone. It's a symbol inside.
Yes. Yes, guys, I understand now. I've not even started talking about the symbols. I did for introduction. The symbols inside, I have not even started. I'm just going superficial. I just talk. Guys, wanna follow me? If we understand this introduction, like that's what I said now. As we are entering inside now, the first thing you go do for me now, my students, cram the definition, cram the picture. The picture means say cram what they paint inside, what they draw inside down. Now the picture be this. Cram them, memorize it, and also memorize this thing because I've given you the introduction. Now you don't. Now whenever you see Segnale pericolo, ladies and gentlemen, you now know what it is. Simple. You don't know what it is. Even if it's true that you never yes, you don't know what the picture is really talking about, but you now know it's saying the pericolo. You also know that he's talking about 150 meters. At a distance of 150 meters, you will see that pericolo in the front. We have done the introduction about it. Now the picture with them, the thing with the draw inside, for example, this guy, we've not even done it for now. We are still, beating around the bush because we need to understand the introduction very, very well before we start doing it. Is there anybody here that missed that missed the introduction? We you never understand what we'll talk again. Might talk him again, I don't understand. Might do him again, or might they go further?
Go further. Understand this one.
What about that
Go
people?
further.
Mr. Sam. If I call you, because I like you. If I call you many times because I like
Yeah, I am understand. Go front.
You understand? You go do quiz now.
Yeah.
All right. So guys.
Well, I not to understand that. You have to
okay, no,
go
thank you
back
very
to
much. You know to understand that. We'll do them again. There's nothing there. Let's do it again. Segnale the
Also,
pericolo
no.
introduction.
Big ones the small. Man, I
Eh?
don't still understand. Still do am again small. I don't still understand. I don't the enter so.
You just
No, I get
say,
top of bike on. I put the phone inside my pocket. All
okay.
this angle when you tell me, Mr. Yodi, I know
All right.
they see him.
Okay, move on sharp. What if you say the pericolo? Saying the pericolo simply means now guys watch. Introduction about it. I go take no saying the pericolo. Let's do it like this. First one are the characteristics. Number one, all saying the pericolo have triangular shape. And the point is going upwards. They go downwards, so they go up. I've shown you guys the difference between the other one and this guy. This one, and when they go up, now be segnale di pericolo. Number one. Number two, characteristics of segnale di pericolo also is that segnale di pericolo is being placed 150 meters before you get to that particular place where that danger day. Because what do you mean? See now, then draw this picture inside here, B. My people, this simply means that this picture where they draw inside here, physically, in 150 meters, you go see her for front. And a danger. They're trying to warn you. They give you warn. They warn you. Say, be careful, my brother, my sister. Be careful with your wonderful car. In 150 meters, you're about to see a danger for front. Now, what does it mean? So now, once you enter road tomorrow, once you done the study, you don't know, say, oh, now what they give me awareness. They're telling me which I go see for front. Is it clear? Information about the pericolo is talking to the information they talk to me and you. They talk to you as a driver. If they tell you, they talk to you as a driver. Hey, Mr. Godwin, oh, hold on, sir. your this thing is scattered by this. Sorry. Please, no verse. Your this is the okay, guys. Okay, sorry. So, like I was saying before, he's talking to me and you as drivers. Saying the pericolo talk to me and you as drivers. Now, information talk. It's not, guys. It's not even talking about that picture. They tell you say the information is for you as a driver. Say that picture then put inside there. Be careful about it. Is it clear? Another thing about saying the pericolo is that what do I will say again? That watch. How do you know saying the pericolo? Watch. Look at their borderline. It is red in the borderline. If the inside is white, they call it fondo. If the fondo is white inside, that means that segnale there is permanent. That means they can never remove it. What do I mean by inside? The inside now this one inside is white. You see them now. If the inside are white, that means now permanent signal. They put them there permanently. If the inside is yellow, guys, it's no more permanent. It is now temporary. That means there is work in progress there. That means they just block that road temporarily because they work there for now. They go soon come out them. Guys, watch. One two one not tell again. Inside Segnale now. Everything we concern Segnale. There is this particular guy they used to always put inside them. And these particular guys, their name now waiting. They call them what? Pannelli integrativi. Let me even introduce them. There's a particular signal they used to, because watch, they cannot carry every information, put them inside here. Let me explain what I mean. For example, they can't carry every information and put it here. Let me show you guys something. They will not carry, for example, I'm still on introduction now. So that when we start doing it, we'll be flowing together. They say I'm now. Why they introduce them now? So when we start doing it, we'll be flowing together. That's why I have to interrupt there. Come here. Now watch. Let's take this one for example. Watch, guys. They put a segnale di pericolo here, Abi. Watch, oh. They put her here now. First of all, we all know say that it means say in 150 meters, you arrive to a place where we say you go see this danger for front, Abi. Now, guys, watch. They now put an ulterior segnale for underarm. Now, this particular segnale can be described as what they call panelli integrativi, integrative panel. And what is the work of this guy? What is the work of these guys? The work of these guys now to do with him. To give more information, number one. To give different information, number two. To complement an existing signal, because if they complement this existing signal, let me even shock you guys. You can never see only this guy alone on the road. You can never see it on the road anywhere, but you can see it alone on your quiz. Inside your quiz, inside your book, you can see it alone. But you can never see a panel integrativo existing alone on the road. It can never happen. It has to complement a signal. It has to be there to give information, ulterior information or different information. Like play. I don't use one stone, keep plenty bed. I don't explain the meaning of panel integrative. Integrative panel. They put it there to give more information about an existing. See, everything what they do now concerning Segnale, you go see these guys. You go see this panel integrative. And I'll be telling you guys more. There plenty. And it's a topic. It's a topic of its own. You see them now. It did there where. Sorry. Every topic we'll be seeing now. We'll be seeing this panel integrative always. With the CM. Is it clear? So add it to your jota. That panel integrative, you always see it under all segnali, not only concerning segnale pericolo, concerning every segnale. So, like the way it is right now, I feel like going inside it right now. What do you not think? Yes, next week we'll come back to that guy. I want to even tell you guys one more thing. By God's grace, next week also we'll do quiz. We'll do quiz. Let us see our level. We'll do a general quiz. As we did here, we'll do a general quiz. Maybe it will be on Wednesday. Next week, Wednesday, we'll do a general quiz. That's when I finish the first topic, I will want to see our level. And that whenever we will do that quiz, it inspire people to do more. It inspire, even though it's a teamwork, yes, but it will not make people to be more, to take it more serious. It's very important. So next week we will do quiz. So we'll start with the study. Don't wait for me. Do it on your own also. So guys, I feel like entering inside Segnale pericolo. What do you think? The next week, we'll go back, finish this two topic. We remain here. Because only two topic remain here concerning Strada. So I just feel like entering it right now. Can we start doing it now? Or you want check? Or we'll start it next week?
You are the one in charge. You are the one who is going to say we are starting it or not. No?
All right. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, let us start doing it now. Now, the first topic here is called Strada deformata. Strada deformata. I don't start, guys. Mona, follow me. The first topic we are going to be seeing, I put meat for fire. Sorry. The first topic we are going to be seeing is called Strada deformata. Allora, eccomi qua. So the first topic we are going to be seeing here is called Strada deformata. Now, what is Strada deformata? Please follow me. I'll show you a picture. It will not make more sense. Watch. I will tell you the name in English, in our language. Watch. Have you ever seen this thing on the road before? What did this mean for? What I come? What did they see for here? Let me ask somebody. Let me see. Mr. Chris, what are you seeing on the ground? What be all this thing?
It's a pothole.
Pothole.
Yeah, pothole.
Guys, add them to your jota. Strada deformata equals to pothole. Please write it down. Write it down. So in case you are doing quiz, you just see this signboard. Pothole. See am. Remember I told you guys the trick about segnale di pericolo is that cram the signal, cram am, because this guy resemble other three signal. Resemble other two signal. Two signal resemble this guy. Two signboard resemble this guy. So please cram it. So whenever I see this particular picture, you're just remember pothole. Is it clear now? We want to discuss pothole. I don't start to definition of pothole. Strada deformata. Road that is deformed. Watch. Definizione. They can't say watch. È un segnale di pericolo. Yes. It's a danger signal. It makes sense, abi? Che preannuncia? What do you mean preannuncia? It dey pre-announce. It dey pre-tell us. Because remember I told you guys that. For say now in every segnale, one last thing. In every segnale, there is a particular word they normally use. Please write it down. You go to see now concerning saying the pericolo, you'll be seeing the word preannunciare, preannuncia, preannuncia, preannuncia. You'll be seeing it here all the time. So please write it down now. They said it's a danger signal. Where they pre-announce, it they pre-tell us what you go see. Watch. Una strada deformata. Number one. Definition no. In cattivo stato. Number two. Disestata. Number three. Or con pavimentazione irregolare. Number four. What does it mean? It means that strada deformata get four definition. They say waiting. If they pre-announce waiting a pothole, a deformed road. Number one. If they pre-announce waiting a bad road, that is cattivo stato. Number two. If they pre-announce una strada, what do you mean of disestata? Road we know they very rough. If they disestata. Number three. Number four. And that road get waiting pavimentazione irregolare. That is irregular pavimentazione. The pavement is not regular. See, the pavement here not irregular. It did very crack. See, it just scratch everywhere. Is it clear now, guys? What are we saying? We have seen four definition. So only strata deformata alone get four definition. Simple, guys. We don't cram the picture. Something they go down, they come up. It be like say, let's say example. Now they can say di norma a 150 metri. According to the law, they put at 150 meters. I already break them down for us. It don't make sense. That means you go first see this signboard 150 meters before you get to that particular pothole. Are you guys following me now?
Yes,
Watch now. They can say può essere integrato con il pannello estesa. Now we have 8 minutes. May I break down this word? The writer for capital letter. And in patente, anything with the write for capital letter, it is important. It is very important. Any word where you see the write for capital letter is very, very important. Now they can say they cannot put a pannello integrativo under this particular segnale where they indicate what they call estesa in capital letter. Oh, they cannot put on that one called distanza. Right, show that these two words. The first one is called estesa. The second one is called distanza. Now, guys, here, this is where we'll stop for today. My break and down for now. The difference between estesa and distesa. Please pay attention. Start the formatter, estesa. Distanza. This thing I want to tell you now, it's important. And let me shock you guys. Even the old students, this particular part, they had them. Please, I'm going to take them very, very serious. Now, watch. We have seen definition of start the formatter. Now, the controls now say they can now carry a panel integrativo, which I already explained what it be. An integrative panel. Come put them under this guy. They call that guy what? Estesa. What is estesa? Let me show you a picture of estesa. Watch you. This is a picture of estesa. Let me see if I can find. Okay, watch. Now, let's do it like this. Look at this arrow. Look at this one on top. That has two arrows on top. This one has two arrows on top. Or let me start with distanza first. Let me start with distanza first. Distanza. Now watch. This is strada deformata B with 320 meters. Watch, guys. Distanza simply means say you will never see two arrows here. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to show you guys the difference between this picture here. See, I want to show the difference between this picture here, where they put two arrows up, and this guy where they put no arrow up. If they carry this picture now, put them under strada deformata, what do it mean? It means a particular thing. If they can't carry this picture, where they put two arrows, if they take it out, put it under here, it means a particular thing. Is it clear now? That's what I'm trying to differentiate for you guys. Let me start from distanza. If they not carry 320 meters, now this number can be anything. It can be 500 meters. It can be 200 meters. It can be anything. Is it clear? The most important thing is that they don't put two arrows up. And when that pannello integrativo is without two arrows up, it means distanza. It means distance. Guys, watch. I want shock now. It means say, watch, you write it down. No more 150 meters. No more 150 meters. It means say now, In 320 meters, you arrive. At a distance of 320 meters, you arrive to that particular place where pothole dey. Remember, the work of panel integrative is what? Is to give you more information, a different information, or they complement that existing signal. You dey see am now. So here now, they give you different information. We all know that Segnale pericolo na 150 meters, right? Now, if they come put distancer there, and you know what is called distancer. Distancer is whenever that panel integrativo is without 2 arrow up. This guy here no get 2 arrow up. See, this guy get 2 arrow up. You see it now. I told you guys that this thing can be any number. Can be any number inside. It doesn't matter. I'm trying to teach you guys the difference between a staser and distancer. Are you following me now? Now watch. Whenever you don't see arrow inside that panel integrativo, it means distance. Now, that distance now don't beat. That distance is beating the 150 meters. Is anybody when understand what I explain? Is anybody here? Do you understand what I explain?
Distancer, can you come again?
Now, distance simply means that at a distance of the value they put inside there, you arrive to that particular place where that danger dey. You arrive that place where you meet that danger. Now, watch. The distance they put here now is beating the 150 meters. We already know. Is it clear? Because we all know that Segnale pericolo means in 150 meters, you arrive to that danger. Yes. But when they come put a number inside under there, without 2 arrow up, it means distance. Simple. Now, what do you mean? It means distance. At a distance of whatever, if they put 500 meters, even in kilometers, it doesn't matter. At a distance of 20 kilometers, you arrive to that particular place where you see strada deformata. Now, guys, watch. Imagine that they carry this guy, put it under Segnale or under strada deformata. Now, imagine say strada deformata dey on top of here. Imagine say strada deformata now they on top of, like, they carry this guy, put it under this. Are you following me now? What does it mean? A staser simply means the length of that pothole. Now, it means say you are in that particular place. You dey in correspondenza. It means the length. Please follow me. How do you know a staser? A staser simply means say you will see 2 arrow there. 2 arrow going up. No be distance anymore. Watch.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, sir. I record. Listen. Può essere integrato con il pannello estesa. Può essere integrato con il pannello distanza. Now they try break down for us. If they can't carry pannello estesa, put them under here. How you go take no estesa? Estesa have 2 arrow going up. And estesa simply means the length. The length of that pothole. Now, 380 meters, for example. This kind of situation. It don't mean distance anymore. It don't mean say at a distance of, no. It means the length of that pothole. Now waiting. Now that is the length of how that road spoil. The length, the lunghezza. Or you will say the extension of how that road is bad. 380 meters. What's your question, sir?
Yeah, you have already said it because I always see it at
No voice cutting.
Continue, sir.
I said I always see it at a quiz, and they normally use a Lugeza on it.
Now you know that when you see a staser means the lunghezza. A staser means the length. The length of that pothole is a certain value. Now, guys, you now know the difference between a staser and distancer. My shop now. We'll go see do them again. We'll do them again next week. Is it clear? We'll go see what I just do introduction. Now remember, we'll see touch it again. Even if you've not understood it. Please, guys, if I send the video maybe to them 9 or tomorrow morning, watch them. No leave them. Watch them. Start doing quiz. Not they waste time because time they go. Please remember, guys. Also, it's very important also that you do your own this thing. You pay do your own payment. It's very important. So please.